I wasn't going to record any of this. Guy in at work, he asked me to weld up 6 practice soccer goals. I went to start welding on it, and hey, this is where I gotta go. Motherfucker.
My wreck timber sand. Is your credit a little banged up? Don't let it crush your spirit. My For the People credit approval process makes car buying easy and stress-free. Hey Gettysburg, I need to check myself before I wreck myself.
I wonder if that's enough brass to make a pair of knuckles. Alright, back from Harbor Freight. That's the one that came with the machine. It's a Century 130. I bought that thing years ago. Here's the new one. Oh, that's like a monster compared to. Let's go ahead and swap this over. Alright, so here's what I'm welding up. It's going to be 3, whatever, it's going to be nice sized. And this is what I got to weld. Galvanized. Ugh. I guess it gave me extra brass here to Ew. You have to set this up a little bit better, I guess. A little bit better. I'm going to try to avoid having to grind this shit. We'll see what happens. We'll get this one welded up. Not totally happy with them welds, but yeah. Alright, now we got all them done. I'm going to go ahead and clean up any boogies and burrs. Give her a little shot of what do we have here? Zinc rich galvanized compound. Oh, I forgot to record. And they're going to put a net on that. And that'll help them. It's freaking raining out. Well, that's what it is.
what you said.
Man, don't hit anybody.
Whoa! I just saw that ride, the one that goes. I want his shirt.
There's absolutely no recording or taking pictures of any kind. If you're caught doing it, it's gonna get ugly.
Got 2 of them done. I don't think I'm gonna do any work today. It's Sunday. I'm tired.